Hi. So today I really have something very, very special and sort of new, really. So it's tomorrow's the hottest day of the year. So I'm sitting here having a cup of tea to deal with it. That's what we do in England: have a damn good cup of tea, and everything will be fine. I've got the shorts on. So sorry about that. If you don't be offended by my knees. When I was about 22, I was taken to court. It was over a parking fine, and I'd worn shorts. I'd cycled there on a racing bike. I'd cycled to this court. I was wearing these little Adidas shorts. It was about 1984, 5, and I got up to the thing and I said, "I'm sorry, Your Honour. I thought I'd be standing behind like a big thing like on the TV, and I didn't mean any offence to the court by wearing shorts today." And it was a lady judge. I think she took a bit of a shine to me. Anyway, I got let off. So there you go. Tip for the top. Always wear shorts to court. Not too small, not little skimpy ones. That's not a good look. Not for court. I mean, any time isn't really very good, to be honest. Right, the pedal. See if you can guess what this is. Maybe a jumbo. Listen to that clean up. It's definitely a monster. Tilt. It's a killer fuzz, and it's not a jumbo, and it's not a one knob fuzz, if that was the other thing you were thinking of. If you look inside a wah fuzz, you'll see a really cool little circuit, and it sort of evolved from the one knob fuzz. But the thing about it is, whenever you listen to it just as a fuzz pedal, it's always backed off a bit, because when you push down a wah fuzz, the fuzz comes on with the wah at its most trebliest, so it rips your head off, which is not good. So they had to back the intensity of the fuzz off a bit. So it sounds a little bit plain if you listen to it on its own. But what we're hearing here is that circuit without the wah. So what is it, Ant? Is it just a fuzz circuit and a thing? No, not exactly. It's something else from the crazy mind of Dave Main. It is a fuzz straight. We've never done it before. Cue picture of me holding the pedal up to the camera. Yeah. Okay, here we have it. I mean, if that isn't one of the coolest things you've ever seen, I just don't know where I've been. Fabulous in the original. Obviously, it's the original tooling, yet again. Retooled the tops. This is the same machine pressing out these tops and these parts that pressed them out in 1972. The same tool presses out this case, which, as you can see, if you look, became the thin case tone bender. So first came along this wah-wah pedal. I guess Larry was looking at the pedal case one day and said, "Hang on, that bass, we could put a pedal in there." In fact, it could become one of the coolest things ever. It could become the Mark IV and thin case tone bender. And wonder if it'll still be going in 2022. Well, guess what, Larry? It is. So inside here is that cool little circuit. But what Dave's done, he's tweaked it and voiced it so it's a bit more aggressive and it's got a bit more of an edge to it. So no longer is it that backed off circuit, because it doesn't have to be, because there's no wire in here, but there is a volume control. So I can stick it down there. Now I get all my bowing. Very different to me backing off my guitar volume. You know what? I'm just going to go and find see if I've got a delay pedal. And we'll try it with a little bit of delay on it. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. Let's have a quick look inside. So, as you'd expect, the pedal is, you know, at a glance you think, oh, there's a blue wah wah pedal on the floor, but obviously it's something quite different. Trusty dinner knife. Oh, you have got to love that. So this is one of the first 12, so we've only made 12 so far. This is my one, and it's just beautiful, beautiful work. That's the little the actuator which turns the pot in quite a specific way. And there's that fuzz circuit, tweaked by Dave. And there we have it, a totally new, well, not totally new, but a new product. First time we've ever made it. And yet again, another new idea. So, get your shorts on. Get to court and get let off, and then come and buy one of these. I'll see you next time. Bye. Do you think it's good, that story about the shorts, or not?
Yes. Maybe you don't need to go into the pervert then.
That's the funny bit.
Oh, okay. I like it.
Right.
Were you wearing tiny little shorts?
Well, they were my little Adidas shorts.
You weren't.
What?
Well, you wore them to court.
I didn't know. I thought I'd be standing behind.
Don't be ridiculous. Why would you think that? You
I
wanted
just
to
did.
wear them as a joke.
I went on my racing bike.
You can't wear that. You must have known you can't wear shorts to court.